Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can use the auto cutout feature in CapCut PC. So you can find the auto cutout after you add your video or photo you like to edit. And if you want to remove the background, you are just going to use the cutout feature. So click on the clip, you can select cutout and scroll down until you find the auto cutout. Just turn on, and you can see the background has been removed automatically. All right, yeah, it's um so simple. And for another example, I'm going to select my video and going to remove the background. Just click auto cutout like so. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.